We're LHM, the leading Czech manufacturer of CNC machine tools. Introducing the LHM WP, a 5-axis machining center with an overhead gantry design. Purpose-built for high-speed cutting of aluminum alloys. It lets you choose from 3 spindle heads delivering between 25 kilowatts and 42 kilowatts of power. The WP is driven by your choice of advanced control system, Heidenhain, guaranteeing accurate, dependable results shift after shift. Configure it further with options such as water cooling, a chip conveyor, and an automatic retractable roof. Visit our website and discover how LHM can help you reach your manufacturing goals.